Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera scan QR code on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. If you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. After you click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this settings icon. Scroll down to, and you will see QR code is here. Turn off QR code and turn on. Turn on or turn off QR code 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera scan QR code on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.